Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this. These are lava rocks. These are oral probiotics basically. So check this out. Um, that's what it is right there. We're going to do a quick taste test. These are gluten-free, vegetarian. It's back. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. Okay, so that is, come on, focus. There you go. So Streptococcus salivarius. So anyways, I'm actually kind of curious because these are supposed to taste like pop rocks. So, and I'm really curious if they actually are any good. So, all right, that's what the package looks like. All right, let's open this up. Okay, I can smell it. It smells pretty good. You can smell the berryness of the flavoring. There we go. Oh man, this is not. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. There we go. So it's not actually red or any color. Just like crystals. Okay, I'm gonna put this all in my mouth. Yep, it does pop really good. You guys can probably hear it. Taste-wise, it's not overly sweet. It has a hint of the berry, and it's just tastes like it tastes like candy, literally. It tastes like candy. So, but the berry taste isn't that strong. It's just more of a sweet taste. Okay. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please below. Subscribe to the channel.